Welcome to Eat, Pray, Plan. I'm Rebecca. I'm a wife, a homeschool mom to two adventurous boys, and I plan our lives one sticker at a time. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that have helped me plan a happy life in hopes that they can help you too. So if you want to see how I do that, come plan with me. Thank you so much for joining me. I am so happy that you're here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can turn a decorative spread into a minimal functional spread. In other words, I am going to show you how you can actually plan your week without needing stickers. Well, let me take that back. I am going to use a few stickers, but they're going to be functional because I often hear people say that they can't plan because they don't know what to do with stickers. Let me break it to you. As much as I love to use stickers, planning, actually writing down your things to do and being productive and getting things done, it's not about the stickers. It is about getting a piece of paper, a notepad, a sticky note, anything that you have available for you, even your phone, anything that you have available for you, and just getting those ideas, those to-do lists out of your head and onto paper. So I know that there's people out there who, when they see a spread with stickers, they get overwhelmed and they think that they can't plan. Well, in today's video, I am going to share with you how I turn this week's spread, which is obviously a decorative spread with stickers, into a minimal functional spread using this notepad. So I received this notepad in one of the cloth and paper sub boxes, and I love it because it is an undated notepad and it has a lot of pages. So I sometimes use it just to pre-plan or jot down things that I want to get done, and I just date it. So that's what I'm going to show you. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to turn this week's spread into a functional minimal spread using this notepad. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I am gonna say that I will use a few stickers, but they're mainly gonna be functional stickers. So I don't know, does that really count? Okay, so I'm gonna use some of these dot stickers, and I'm also going to use, so here's the thing with stickers, and I understand and I totally get it if you are just a pen and paper type person. That is great. Whatever you need to do to get the things done, you do you and do what works for you. But for me, the reason why I use stickers is because, first of all, I feel that they make the paper look pretty. And second of all, because it draws my attention to different areas on the page. So I'm also going to talk about that, and I'm going to talk about how to do it in a functional way. So first of all, I'm going to use some dot stickers. I am also going to take out a few label stickers that I have, and they are from this wellness pack, and I think that's it for now. I am going to keep my sticker drawer open just in case I need something else, but I think that with these two things, we will make it work. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is I am going to write down and highlight with these dots the time-sensitive activities that we have going on for the week. So let me start off by doing that. Okay, perfect. So I have filled in right now the classes that the boys have and the days that they have their therapy. I've also filled in the top 3 priorities of things that I want to get done this week. And I'm going to go ahead and number the week since it is undated, which is pretty cool because you can use it whenever and just write in the date. Okay, perfect. So then what I'm gonna do right now, so I am going to visually divide, and you'll be able to see it also, like mentally, I've already divided these days into sections. So I have my priorities for the day. I'm gonna have a small, housekeeping chores and things that I need to get done here in the middle, like a small little list of things. And then at the bottom, I'm gonna leave space for any things that may come up during the week, like a to-do list or something like that. And then if I have room afterwards and I feel like it, I will add a few stickers, not a lot, but just a few, to tie everything together. Okay, so first, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and write in the chores that I want to get done that day. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in any to-do lists that I wanna tackle on that day. So I know that on Fridays are usually my my social media day. So they're usually my YouTube day. So it's the day that I finish editing any videos and I schedule the weekend videos. So I am going to do the same thing and just add a little to-do sticker and write that in. Okay, so I have that down, and now I'm actually going to grab a little, I'm gonna grab a cute little arrow and use it over here. So I know that it goes into the next day. Super cute. Okay. Now, okay, now let's see what else. Sundays are usually the days that I meal plan, and this is the week before my my planning week. So I do lesson plan for our school year in advance. So I need to get ready mentally, I need to get prepared, and so I'm gonna write myself a little note so I don't forget. let's see. So I think that's it. I think I've written down everything that I want to get done. Is there any, I feel like I'm forgetting something. Do you guys ever plan and feel that you're forgetting something? That sometimes happens to me. I am like focused and then I'm like, I'm forgetting something. Okay, let's see. So this is it. I'm going to look and see if I can add something here, but pretty much the plans are done. So you can see how I have turned this into this, which it still has a few stickers, but they are very functional. And all my plans are written down, and I still have space to add certain to-dos that that I need to get done that day. Okay, let me see. Before I go, let's see if I can just quickly find something to add here. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna leave it like this, and that's it. This is gonna be my very functional version of this. So even though I did use a few stickers, I can definitely see myself using something like this on those days where you just need to write things down and get things on paper and don't worry too much about the stickers. I obviously have to add a few stickers here and there because I love stickers. I need to have that color on my page. But this is it. This is my version of a functional weekly plan with me using the cloth and paper weekly pad. So if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and like this video because I do share new videos every weekend. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye. Have a great day. Okay, I'm back. I didn't go very far. So you can clearly see that I switched something around here. I was not feeling those 3 little stickers. There was something that was throwing me off. So I went ahead and I pulled out Dream Seeker, which is one of my favorite books. And I found this really pretty big sticker that said "Be Brave." And that's what I used to cover this little white space here. So this is it. Like, now I like it. Now nothing is throwing me off. I have a small little flower there and it's still very functional. Okay, well now this is it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.